Hello, and a warm welcome to World This Week by latestlaws.com. This is a weekly program, so hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. I will be taking you through the significant orders and judgments passed by various courts in the country and some important international news from this week. Let's begin with the Supreme Court this week. The Apex Court granted the Centre a week to file a response to the petitions challenging constitutional validity of Waqf Amendment Act, 2025. The Supreme Court noted assurance of the Centre that till next date of hearing, Waqf, including Waqf by user, which is declared by notification or registered, will neither be denotified nor its character changed. The Supreme Court was seized of a matter involving Asian News International and the Wikimedia Foundation concerning allegedly defamatory content published on Wikipedia. The matter arose from an interim relief granted by the Delhi High Court, directing Wikipedia to remove certain statements made about ANI on its platform. These statements allegedly portrayed ANI as a propaganda tool of the current central government. Observing that road accidents are on the rise, the Supreme Court directed states and union territories to develop swift response protocols so that victims get help immediately. Road accidents in our country are on the rise. The reasons may be different. There are cases where victims of road accidents do not get immediate help. There are cases where the victims may not be injured but they get trapped in vehicles. The Supreme Court dismissed a special leave petition challenging the presence of Urdu alongside Marathi on the signboard of the Municipal Council of Patur, District Akola, Maharashtra. The bench, comprising Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia and Justice K. Vinod Chandran, held that the use of Urdu for public communication did not violate the Maharashtra Local Authorities Official Languages Act, nor did it impinge upon any constitutional or statutory mandate. Now, let's get an overview of the High Courts. The Delhi High Court took note of a commercial dispute involving allegations of disparagement and directed fast-moving consumer goods major Hindustan Unilever Limited to modify and withdraw certain advertisements concerning its Lakme Sunscreen product. The court's intervention came in a suit filed by Honsa Consumer Limited, which owns the Derma Co brand, alleging that Hindustan Unilever Limited's advertisement campaign unfairly impugned the credibility and quality of its product. Observing the need to preserve market fairness, the court noted that advertisers must refrain from suggestive representations which could potentially mislead consumers and malign competing brands. The Delhi High Court granted a permanent injunction in favor of Harley Davidson LLC in a trademark and copyright infringement case over the deceptive use of its iconic eagle logo on footwear. The court held that the defendant had misappropriated the brand's identity and observed that the impugned mark was structurally and visually similar, creating a clear likelihood of consumer confusion. The Delhi High Court restrained the Excise Department from stopping liquor sales at a bar holding valid excise licenses, stating that service cannot be halted solely due to a pending eating house license renewal caused by administrative delay. The High Court directed that no coercive action shall be taken by the Excise Department against the petitioner solely on the basis of the pending renewal of the eating house license. The court further clarified that the seizure of liquor stock and restriction on sale cannot be sustained in the absence of a formal and reasoned determination regarding the invalidity of the license. The Telangana High Court imposed a Rs 30 lakh fine on Channamneni Ramesh, the former MLA from Vemulwada, for concealing his German citizenship and misrepresenting facts regarding his eligibility for Indian citizenship. The court upheld the 2019 order from the Union Ministry of Home Affairs that revoked Ramesh's Indian citizenship, ruling that he failed to renounce his German nationality, as required by Indian law. In the end, we have miscellaneous news. In a recent decision bearing upon recruitment norms for departmental candidates within the Archaeological Survey of India, the Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, has directed the Union Public Service Commission to grant one-time age relaxation to a group of regularly appointed assistant superintending archaeologists seeking to participate in a direct recruitment process for the higher post of deputy superintending archaeologist. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. This is a weekly program, and to get more information, please check the description box for weekly updates. Like and subscribe to our channel.